Hello, maximizers, and welcome to AI Nevisphere, where we look at how to incorporate AI into our everyday lives. Today, we're getting cooking advice from our AI chef. So let's jump into ChatGPT to see how.
All right, we could say I'm looking to fix dinner on a budget. Could you give me 3 options? All right, let's see what it says here. All right, it says, okay, look at that. Lentil soup. Oh, vegetable stir fry with rice. Okay, cool. Or spaghetti with homemade tomato sauce. I mean, come on. This is great. This is wonderful. All right, and then I see here it talks about me being Jamaican, but all right. So let's ask it. Could you tell me how to prepare Jamaican jerk chicken? Alright, so what's happening here? Alright, so it's giving us the ingredients, right? And you see here scotch bonnet peppers, lime, soy sauce, thyme, ground allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, black pepper, salt to taste. And it's telling us how to prepare it and how to marinate it. It's telling us how to cook it and how it serves. It's even giving us tips how to use scotch bonnet peppers and marinating it and cooking method and how to serve it. I mean, come on, this is just great.
Thanks, ChatGPT, for being my AI chef. If you enjoyed today's episode of AI Neversphere, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI. Until next time, continue eating good food with the help of AI.